Hi everyone! Today, I'm gonna show you how to make your video look insane with just one click, using the Turn Off the Lights extension. And yes, it's gonna change the way you watch videos forever. Let's go! First, if you don't have Turn Off the Lights installed, what are you doing? It's free! Go grab it from the Chrome Web Store, FIREFOX, or whatever browser you're using. Once you got it, click right on gray lamp icon and select the menu item options because we're about to unlock some next-level vibes. In the sidebar, click on the tab Visual Effects. Scroll down until you find the Atmosphere Lighting section. Boom! Right there. Turn on Atmosphere Lighting, and here's the secret move. You can pick your own solid color. I'm sticking with this awesome cyan blue. Now, let's jump back to the YouTube page. Look at this. The whole player lights up with this epic glow. It's like you've built your own personal movie theater, right at your desk. And the best part? It looks epic without distracting you from the video. So, if you want to flex on your friends with the coolest screen setup ever, hit that Turn Off the Lights extension, lock in your solid color, and vibe out. Smash that like button if you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.